Today I'm going to demonstrate how to create a universal smart key using the Autel IM508 and an Autel Universal Smart Key. Now, Autel does make the KM100, which has this function built into the antenna ring right here. However, you do not need to go out and buy one. If you already have the IM508 and the XP400 Pro, you can have that same function as well. Just takes a little bit longer. I'm going to demonstrate how to do that. Starting at the main menu, you're going to hit Universal Key. And just to start out, guys, you can get pretty carried away with these things. I'm going to demonstrate, the situation that I've ran in just to show you what this is capable of. Now, the reason I've got these forward keys here are I'm on a 2018 Explorer. This isn't the right FCC ID number. This is a ending in 42600 key. And then this is the right FCC ID number, but we're looking at the wrong button configurations. These are the right button configurations for the vehicle I'm on. So I'm going to show you just how you can get that done using these universal keys. Now, the main menu of the IM508 will go to Universal Key Generation. Our area is North America. I'm going to go over to Ford. I'm going to go to All Remotes just to go by the FCC ID number. It's very important that you're cross-checking the FCC ID and the frequency. Some remotes are the same FCC ID with different frequencies, and vice versa. So you just want to do your problem solving before you run into those problems. So here's our key right here, 42300. You're going to notice on this key itself, it's got quite a bit of buttons. Got lock, unlock, remote start, trunk, and panic. I don't need all those buttons, but it's the only option we have. So I'm going to show you how to get around that. Now this function can take a second. You see the XP400's doing its thing, it's blinking. Now it's got a countdown on the screen for the IM508. Just a couple tips while it's counting down. You want that key to be the top end into the XP400. That doesn't read as good if you have it the other way around. I've had them fail on me, and then you're just wasting time. Also, Autel does make quite a few of these smart keys with different button configurations. Most of this is just a demonstration for the video, but one size fits all doesn't really work when there's a bunch of button configurations, including remote start and some that do and don't have it. Having more stock is, pretty recommended these days with how many options there are. Looks like we're almost done. We're at 80%. We'll just let it do its thing. I'm going to show you how to double check the buttons that are programmed to it and where. Alright, so it's done counting down. It says, do you want to continue generation? We're going to hit completed. That would be if you need to do another key. So now it brings us back to the menu. We can hit escape. We're going to hit escape again and go back to the main menu. Now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to Universal Key Information Detecting. I'm going to show you what it says there. And then we got to go to another menu after that. The key ID, serial number. Then we're going to go to Adjusting Button. Now here's the important part. So we've got unlock, lock, and trunk. So we are good. The button's automatically configured to the right orientation. What you will run into is that some of these remotes will put maybe remote start for lock or trunk for unlock. You can run into that, but here you could actually go in there. I can go in here and change that. So if I wanted unlock to be remote start, all I would have to do is hit that, and then I go confirm writing, and it's going to write the button that I selected remote start to and update the menu. Alright, now it says our unlock button is remote start. Our lock is lock and trunk is trunk. Now I'm going to change it back to unlock because that's what we need here. Has no problem rewriting stuff. It's not a one and done key, so if you mess up, just start where you need to be and you can erase and rewrite as many times as you need. Alright, so we're back at the screen. We show that the buttons are in the right configuration. It's all we need for now, so we're going to just hit escape. Escape again. The key's already programmed, so now we can go ahead and hook up our IM508 to the Ford and get this programmed using the immobilizer function. Thank you for your time.